So in this video we will solve a problem on the length, how to find the length for a cross belt drive here. So before also in problem 1 we solved, so now again for further we will continue the next problem here. Okay, so first we will read the problem. Find the length of the belt. We need to find the length of the belt required for driving two pulleys. It means we have two pulleys in cross belt drive. He is given in the problem, it is cross belt drive. So here two pulleys are there, one is bigger pulley and one more is smaller pulley. Two pulleys, cross belt drive. The drive is a type of cross belt drive. So this is the driver, right, and this is driven. This already we derived the length equation in previous videos. Of two pulleys, the cross belt drive of 600 mm and 300 mm diameters. Which one is 600? The bigger pulley is, obviously the bigger pulley is 600. So the diameter, what is the notation we are given? D1. For bigger pulley we are given D1 notation and its diameter is 600 mm. And the smaller pulley is driven, its diameter is D2. D2 equal to 300 mm diameters. When 3.5 meter apart, it means the center distance. This is center distance of bigger and smaller pulley. Their center distance is he is given 3.5 meter. They are 3.5 meter apart. What is the notation we are given? That is L, small l. Okay. So we need to find out the length, capital L, the total length of this cross belt drive, how much. Okay. This is how the problem is there. So first we will write the data here. Okay, so we need to find out the length. The length of the cross belt drive is how much required for driving two pulleys of cross belt drive of 600 mm diameter. So D1, already we know that D1 equal to 600 mm diameter, and the D2 is 300 mm apart, the diameter. So the distance between them is L equal to 3.5 meter apart. So last sentence is given, the thickness of the belt is 5 mm. So how the thickness when it is passing through, its thickness is normally T equal to 5 mm he is given, the belt thickness. Where it will apply here, see if it is passing through here, suppose if it is in driver pulley, if it is passing through, its thickness is the 5 mm we need to add. So here also in driven pulley, if it is passing through here we need to add thickness equal to 5 mm. So can I write the D1? The D1 equal the total diameter is of the driver is D1 plus thickness here, right? Because here thickness also we need to consider. The total diameter is 600 plus 5 mm. So here also the 300 plus 5 mm. Okay, that is the total diameters. Don't consider 2 times 5 millimeter because the belt is passing only here in this area, not on the both sides here. So we need to consider only one thickness for driver also, for driven also. So I will write here for driver D1, the total diameter is 600 plus 5 mm, right? 5 mm, that will be 605 millimeter, the total diameter. Similarly for driven, it is D2 equal to 300 plus thickness, plus that is I will write here T equal to 5 mm. So here plus 5 mm. Okay, that will be equal to 305 mm here. Okay. So here if you take the radius is, that is this will be equal to, in terms of meters convert, because the distance between centers is given in meter, convert this, that is 0.605 meter. So this is also 0.305 meter. These are the diameters. Now we need the radius for formula. So therefore R equal to 0.605 divided by 2, that will be equal to here 0.3025 meter. That is R1. Here similarly R2 equal to 0.305 divided by 2, that will be equal to the 0.1525 0.1525 meter. This is R2. Now we will go to the to find out the total length of the cross belt drive. So what is the formula here? That is solution. So L equal to, we know the formula, we already derived before. Okay, so pi into R1 plus R2 plus 2 times the center distance plus R1 plus R2 whole square divided by L here. Okay, this is the formula. Since it is a cross belt drive, he is given cross belt drive, here it will come plus. If he is given the open belt drive, here it will comes minus. There is other things are, everything is same. So remember these things here. Okay, so substitute pi into, what is the bigger pulley radius here? 0.3025 plus here 0.1525. Okay, plus 2 times the center distance is 3.5, that is meter, 3.5 meter plus again, so R1 is 0.3025 plus 0.1525 whole square divided by the center distance is 3.5 meter. Okay, so this is the substitution. Now simplify all those things, we will get total answer is 8.488 meter of length. Okay, this is the 8.4, almost nearly 8.4 meter length of the belt is required to transfer a power from driver pulley to driven pulley. Okay, this is the problem he is given here.